Number 1.
1985 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000, features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. The truck has a striking black exterior paired with a brown interior, giving it a classic yet bold appearance. It currently runs and shifts smoothly, and has proven reliable on multiple 4-hour round trips without any issues. Originally equipped with a 305 engine, it has been upgraded to a 350, further enhanced with performance parts including an Edelbrock carburetor, chrome valve covers, chrome breathers, a high-performance intake manifold, and MSD ignition with 8mm spark plug wires. The exhaust system features headers leading to true dual exhausts with an X-pipe and cutout plates allowing the option for straight dumps. For lighting, the truck has been modernized with new LED projector headlights, LED running lights that feature sequential turn signals with a flashback function, LED side running lights, and new taillights. It also includes a newer brake booster and other enhancements not all listed in detail. This Chevy rides on aggressive 33x12x24 tires, 2 of which are brand new while the other 2 retain at least 80% tread. The rims are in excellent condition, showing no signs of cracks, bends, welds, or curb rash.
Number 2.
1992 GMC Sierra, price $5,500, well-used truck with approximately 245,000 miles on the odometer. It features a white exterior paired with a tan interior and runs on gasoline with an automatic transmission. Despite its age, the truck runs well and continues to perform reliably. Recently, several key components have been replaced or upgraded, including a new battery, distributor, spark plug wires, and spark plugs. Most of the engine's electronic components are also new, contributing to its solid performance. The AC system does have a leak but still functions, offering cooling when needed. The 4x4 system is intact but needs some attention, most likely a solenoid replacement to restore full functionality. The windshield wiper board has already been replaced. While there is some rust present, it's relatively minor for a vehicle of this age. The front steering joints have been replaced, and new ball joints are included with the vehicle, though they have not yet been installed.
Importantly, the transmission was professionally rebuilt a few years ago by AMCO Transmission, ensuring smooth shifting and extended durability. Number 3.
1988 Ford F350, price $7,000. It has a brown exterior and interior, an automatic transmission, and runs on gasoline. A brand new Crate 460 V8 engine was installed a few years ago, and it still cranks, runs, and drives reliably. The truck will eventually need new in-tank fuel pumps, as the originals are weak when hot, causing a slight bog, an easy $200 fix. After sitting for a couple of years, it started right up with a new battery. The body is rust and dent-free, with just 2 small cracks in the fiberglass fenders. The interior is nearly perfect, with 1 small tear in the seat. It also features a new radio and sound system, and the AC just needs a recharge.
Number 4.
1990 Ford F250, price $8,500, well-maintained truck with 147,500 miles on the odometer. It features a black exterior paired with a gray interior and runs on diesel fuel. Under the hood is the legendary 7.3 LIDI diesel engine, upgraded with a dealer-installed turbocharger, offering reliable performance and torque. Equipped with a manual transmission, the truck has had several important components replaced within the last 15,000 miles, including the clutch and flywheel, a complete brake overhaul, including the vacuum pump, shocks, and a matched set of E-rated highway tread tires, installed around 10,000 miles ago. It also received a new thermostat and coolant using FleetGuard SCA, ensuring proper cooling system health, and brand new Motorcraft batteries were installed in April.
Number 5.
1986 Chevrolet S10, price $8,500, dressed in a bold blue exterior with a clean gray interior. It offers a timeless look that still turns heads today. Under the hood, it has been upgraded with a strong-running small block 350 V8 engine, providing more power than the original setup. Mated to the engine is a 700R4 automatic transmission, enhanced with a shift kit for quicker and firmer gear changes, perfect for both cruising and spirited driving. An aluminum radiator has been added to help keep the engine running cool, even in warmer conditions or under heavier loads. The truck runs on gasoline and is equipped with an automatic transmission for ease of use. Although not in perfect condition, it's a very solid and presentable vehicle overall. The body and paint show typical signs of age but still hold their charm.
Number 6.
1997 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000. It has 235,000 miles on the body and features an automatic transmission. The engine, a 4.3L V6, was sourced from a 2002 Chevy Blazer and currently has approximately 170,000 miles on it. Before installation, all gaskets and seals were replaced to ensure optimal performance. The truck has been lowered with a 3/5 drop using spindles and springs, giving it a sportier stance.
It sits on 17-inch Eagle alloy wheels, adding to its clean and sharp appearance.
The exterior is finished in white and is paired with power windows and locks for added convenience. Mechanical updates include a new water pump, heater hoses, and AC lines, although the AC controller needs to be replaced.
The system itself is functional and can be demonstrated.
The truck runs, drives, shifts, and stops as it should, with no leaks, smoke, or unusual rattles. A clean title is in hand, making it an excellent choice for someone looking for a reliable, budget-friendly pickup with a solid drivetrain and tasteful modifications.
Number 7.
1992 Ford F150, price $6,000. This truck is a dependable classic with 169,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by the durable 4.9L inline-6 engine and paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, it offers strong performance and control, especially with its 4WD capability, perfect for a variety of driving conditions. The truck starts up reliably every time and received a new muffler and tailpipe last year, helping it pass recent emissions without issue. It sports a clean white exterior complemented by a well-kept blue interior, giving it a timeless and rugged look. While it could use some minor TLC and will need new tires soon, it remains a straight, honest truck with good bones.
Number 8. 1977 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,000, powered by a 350 engine and TH350 automatic transmission. It features standard bolt-ons, long tube headers, and dual dumped Flowmasters for a strong, throaty sound. Riding on 22-inch GM Transport wheels, the front tires have just 15 miles on them, and the rear's around 1,000 miles. Finished in white, the truck has dual-functioning gas tanks, and the uncut dash retains the original factory radio. A Bluetooth unit is also installed in the center console, paired with Polk kick speakers and two 10-inch Polk subs behind the seat. It runs and drives great, offering a blend of vintage style and modern convenience. Number 9. 1984 Ford F150,
price $4,500, finished in a timeless two-tone tan and brown combination. Belonging to the iconic bullnose generation, 1980 to 1986, it's recognized for its distinctive squared-off front end and bold blue oval grille that defined an era of Ford trucks. Powered by a reliable 5.8L V8 gasoline engine and paired with an automatic transmission, this truck has covered approximately 225,000 miles over its lifetime. Despite the mileage, it remains a local survivor, having been purchased new and owned exclusively in Spartanburg County since day one.
Both the exterior and interior are tan, staying true to its original configuration and enhancing its nostalgic appeal. Number 10. 1974 GMC C10, price $6,200, equipped with a 350 engine and 350 automatic transmission. While the exact details of the engine build are unknown, it is confirmed to have an aftermarket camshaft, full headers, and a complete exhaust system, giving it an aggressive sound and improved performance. The transmission features a stall converter and shift kit, enhancing its responsiveness and drivability. The truck has a blue exterior and a gray interior, running on gasoline. Some visible rust is present, as shown in the photos, but with a little effort, it has the potential to be brought to a much higher standard within just a few weeks.